of your choice found within the presentation software tab. Use Google Slides, Prezi, Screencast-O-Matic. Then host your presentation on YouTube, Vimeo, etc. That would give us 190 to 100. Good is a recorded video with audio narration and or an accompanying URL. That would be 80 to 90.
Okay.
Acceptable would be image deck of slides with a Word doc of accompanying audio and speaker rolls. That would be 70 to 80.
Okay.
So that's kind of our rubric.
All right. I'm recording this right now because I have this screen where it says analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate on here.
Okay.
And let's say when we do this, if you were to share your screen and go through the PowerPoint, we could record it. And I'm recording it because I want to see if it catches your voice and mine.
Okay.
So I'm going to